I have this irrational fear that like when I'm on the toilet that something is gonna like pop up, like grab my butt cheeks. Just why, I don't know. Anyway, I'm testing out this new blush that I got from Youthforia that they sent me. It's green, but I think it changes color. Whoa, it's like gel. Pretty. Oh, whoa. This is my finished look. I feel like I'm speaking so much quieter than usual because this is like the third sentence I've said all day. It usually takes me a while to wake up, as in like thaw out of my sleepy state. Whoa. But today I actually avoided going on my phone too much right as I got out of bed, which helps me be like calm and like have a slower morning than usual because I feel like I usually get out of bed, immediately put on YouTube a person who's like ranting like a video essay style, and it just like really gets me like going because that's kind of the energy because I wake up so late that I need to get started right away. But today I had so much time to just like relax, be in the moment, and just like appreciate my surroundings. I watched the sky turn bright and it was so nice. The bangs are not nice. I don't know what to style them. I really just So anyway, I had a really pleasant morning and I have quite a lot to do today. So do you want to follow along with me or are you just gonna sit there? I have a meeting in half an hour over Zoom, and then I have to send some footage to both my editors. I have 2 editors, and then I have to go pick up a package. I have to clean my apartment and do laundry, respond to some emails, and potentially go to a yoga class at night. So lots of work things to do and like adulting things. So let's hope I have the energy. I feel so calm today. Have you ever heard me speak like this before? Like I just feel so like collected. I feel like in every other video I'm like, hey, so okay, and like, and then like the sky turned blue, and then like this guy was like so mean to me, and then like I just like never want to see him again. I'm like so like at peace, but we'll see how I am in a couple of hours after my meeting because I might get wired. I'm gonna do some laptop work until my meeting. My meeting is about to start. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just gonna have to deal with this. I actually don't know what this meeting is for, but kind of at all. I don't know who these people are. Hello?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Whereabouts in Canada are you?
I'm in Vancouver.
I used to date a girl who was from BC. Obviously didn't work out. I'm back in the UK.
Yeah. No, what's wrong with me? I feel so like nauseous right now. I've been awake for too long. I just finished my meeting. Honestly, I kind of like blacked out because I was like, whoa, this is so exciting. And also like, I'm actually getting really tired and like, I don't think my brain is working properly. So when I was speaking, I don't even know if I was coherent, but this year, I think I'm learning to just stress less about things that don't really matter. It's like, did I like maybe stumble on a couple words? Yes. Did I say anything offensive? No. Was I mean? No. So do I have anything to worry about? No. I think this is the year that I don't overthink. Well, I'm manifesting this for myself. Less overthinking and less of being self-critical in like a useless way. What's the point of me being like, oh, I should have said this word instead? Girl, that doesn't matter. Let it all go. What's done is done. I'm sure you did great, girl. I'm talking to myself. But, well, what's wrong with it? For some reason, the gag reflex is like insane today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Maybe I just woke up too early. I think my body's rejecting it. Anyway, I do feel a little more wired than I was earlier when I was like, I'm so calm and zen. Now that I've talked to real humans, I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm back in the real world. Oh yeah, the meeting was for something really exciting. I actually have no idea when this video is coming out, but if the news is already out at this time. I'm moving to London! And it just so happened that I'm going to be playing a live show slash concert with So Far. They reached out and they're like, hey, we want to do like a filmed show of you in London. And I was like, wait, this works out perfectly. So maybe it's already happened. Hopefully I see some of you guys there. This is so exciting. I definitely want to do more live shows and like, focus more on music this year, release more songs. But I'm embarrassed to say that I have wasted a couple hours away because I started watching Love is Blind season 6. How many episodes? I'm on the 3rd episode already. But I need to get on with the day. I have to go pick up a package from the post office and then I need to get food because I don't have any more food in my fridge. I only have beverages. And then I actually still have a lot of trash from the housewarming party that I had. So I have to throw those away, but it's gonna take a couple trips. So I'm gonna take some while I go to the post office. I need to change my pants though because it's like, it's got a little ventilation in here and I think it's like pretty cold today. Hey Siri, what's the temperature? 8 degrees. Nar. Nar, 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 nar. Let's pick out some pants. I haven't opened the blinds yet. What jacket shall I wear today? I usually wear my F1 jacket, but I think today I'm gonna go for the classic cloud jacket. I'm also wearing sweats now because I need to be warm. It's not giving the most fashion. I feel like the hair is so like, I mean, it feels glamorous to me because I never usually do my hair, but maybe it just looks like just another Thursday for all y'all. I do feel like a lot of you guys are like super fashionable. Anyway, I feel like Sabrina Carpenter in that one winter music video that she recently put out, she looks so good. But let's go! Wait, I'll come back for that. Thank you. Meet in the city. So bright. I am by the water. It's so nice out today. So I thought I would just, since it was already outside, I should take a little bit of a walk. I haven't been outside in a couple days. And maybe I should just like do my unboxing here. This is where I went on that date with, what did I call it? Pool boy? Was it pool boy? And I filmed my Love Life Glow Up episode pool boy part here. This is one of my favorite spots in the city. It's been reclaimed by me. I literally haven't thought about boys in so long. I've been so, how you say, single? Not lonely, but just single. Single and content. Single and very, very peaceful. Almost too peaceful. Okay, let's unbox this. The wind is not my friend today. I also have to blow my nose so bad. It's so cold today. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, oh, this is for a potential sponsorship. I'm testing out the products, so I guess you will potentially see them or you will never see them. But I've seen really good reviews, so I'm excited. It's like stuff that you eat for your skin. And we all know that my skin, well, maybe we don't all know because makeup is on today, but my skin is not amazing and my gut is also not amazing. The digestion issues really are a point of concern in my life, I will say. Oh, the one love life update I can give you guys. The junk account knows this, but I recently matched with one of my elementary school crushes on Hinge. And I actually didn't recognize him, but he was like, hey, like, weird question, but did you go to this elementary school? And I was like, oh my God, it's you. He actually has quite a unique name, so I don't know why I didn't like recognize the name at least, but I just was not expecting it. And a bunch of you guys replied to the story saying red string theory. I actually don't know what that is. I should search it up. My phone's dead. You guys are gonna have to tell me what red string theory is. Anyway, I'm so peaceful in my life right now. I just want to be single. This time last year I was like ready to run through every single city I was in, and I was like ready to go on so many first dates, but I think I like tired myself out too much last year. I've always been like this in my life where I'm like either 0 or 100, and when I want to do something I want to do like 100%, and then when I get bored of it I like just never want to do it again. And I think this is a big reason why I haven't been in a relationship before, is because I'm like really focused on it and then I'm really not. And I think like in a committed relationship obviously you need to be putting in effort all the time, and I feel like I just don't have I don't know what it is. Like, do I not have the attention span for it? Do I just not have the ability to love? No. We're not gonna say that about ourselves. I think I do have the ability to love. I just haven't found the right person. And I have hope for me this year. On that inspirational note, what is wrong with me today? Like, why am I so positive? Anyway, I think it's time to go home. I can't wait to go eat. Hey Alexa, play Love is Blind on Netflix.
What do you see in your head?
What? You're joking me. Why are you closer? Hello. It's currently 7:30 and well, I did fall asleep watching hockey and I'm technically supposed to do more work, but I actually got most of my stuff done. But honestly, this feels like a good time for me to sleep because I need to catch up on a lot of sleep tonight. So, I need some light on here. Okay, that looks scary. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me today. Hope you also get productive this year and reach your goals and love yourself and find love and give love. Mwah, 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 mwah.